Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Instagram updates. And today's tutorial I will show you on how to share your Instagram Red video into your WhatsApp status. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, head over to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and make sure you update your Instagram into a latest version. And having get to your Play Store in Android phone or App Store on your iPhone, next thing you need to do is to click on search icon right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in Instagram right here and click on search. So it's going to take you right here. So you have to make sure you click on update right here. After you have successfully updated your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply select a particular video that you would like to share into your WhatsApp status. So that this video right here, I'm going to simply share this video to my WhatsApp status. So for me to do that, what we want to do is to click on this icon right here. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on WhatsApp status right here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to write a caption to that particular video. I'm going to simply click on here, check out this hilarious video. Then once you type in your caption, click on here to send. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to share Instagram Red video from your Instagram to your WhatsApp status. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.